Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we'll continue pre-security and we will solve Windows Fundamentals 1. Okay, start. Windows Editions. What encryption can you enable on Pro that you can't enable in Home? BitLocker function is enabled on Pro, but we can't enable it in Home Editions. The desktop. Okay. Which selection will hide, disable the search box? Hidden selection will be hide the search box. Which selection will hide and disable the task view button? Show the task view button. Besides clock and network, what other icon is visible in the notification area? The other one icon is Action Center, that is visible in the notification area. Introduction to Windows. Read above and start the virtual machine. The file system. What is the meaning of NTFS? NTFS is New Technology File System. The Windows system 32 folders. What is the system variable for the Windows folder? Firstly, Windows plus R, and we must write here that Windows directory. Okay, and when we write it, the Windows folder is opened. User account profiles and permissions. What is the name of other user account? Okay. Open the virtual machine. Someone else to the PC. Users, and our other user is try hack me Billy. Okay, try hack me Billy. What groups is this user a member of? Member of remote desktop users. Okay, remote desktop users and users. What built-in account for guest access to the computer? Guest account, built-in account for guest access to the computer. What is the account description? Okay, our account description is that Windows Phone 1. User account control. What does UAK mean? User account control. Settings and the control panel. In the control panel, change the view to the small icons. What is the last setting in the control panel view? Okay. Close these windows and open control panel. Category, small icons. The last one is Windows Defender Firewall. Task Manager. Okay, close it. What is the keyboard shortcut to open Task Manager? Ctrl Shift Escape. When we click here, we can open the Task Manager. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Conclusion: read about and terminate the Windows machine you deployed in this room. Check. Okay guys, we finished this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.